So in life, we're blessed. You follow me? So similar situation, right? Dropped out of school. Now I was telling you about the whole thing about you can start at a call center, but you can then own a call center after, don't it? I start everybody that is watching this started at a school, meaning you go to school.
Yeah, you know the whole
primary, basic, all of that, high school, university for some persons. So I dropped out of school in my second year, but guess what? That never stopped me. It allowed me to push further on my passion in terms of making money and smashing goals and being able to do whatever I want to do. You follow me in life? No, I dropped out of school. I used to be reading textbooks and all of that. Now I have my own book. You follow me? Which is yeah. So I have my own book, which is the Billionaire Blueprint book, right? And the information that I put in the book is information that help people find them passion, help people level up, help people win at the higher level.
That good skills because people don't know them passion or can't find it.
So if you don't know your passion, by the time you read this,
you must can't find
you have to find your passion, bro. You have to find out who are you, bro, and who you are. And the most money you will ever make in your life is by finding out who you are, bro. You following me? That's what. And so this is basically a book that will basically guide you and teach you how exactly to do all of that. And then if you see, for example, I have the Billionaire Pentagon in this, right? So this Billionaire Pentagon is basically able to teach you from how to go from unemployed, meaning you don't have no money none at all, to being an employee or self-employed, meaning you can start a little business or you can work for somebody, to being a business owner or investor. You want to get to this level, which is an investor. Being an investor, like for example me, right now, I'm gonna go through all of this where I went from not being able to pay tuition, not being able to buy food, you get me, being hungry. And I remember one day I was even crying in my bed because I'm hungry, and I tell myself I'm not gonna be hungry. You get me? Tell myself I'm not gonna be hungry again, bro. You get me? So I'm gonna go from unemployed, and then that's when I had to basically tap into myself and be like, how am I going to make some money? How am I going to make some money? I remember doing SBAs and IAs for people. You follow me? Helping them with them SBAs and stuff like that.
And I get some money from it.
And I make money from that. You follow me? And that was able to help me put into other stuff. You follow me? For me to generate more money. You get me? So I went from being unemployed to being an employee, where I started working at a supermarket and all of that, to being self-employed, where I started just some side hustles and stuff like that, and then I turned it into a business, right? So some persons might be like, I have a business, but really and truly it is a side hustle until you have proper structure. When I say proper structure, I mean like, even if you're not there, the business can still survive. Being self-employed is a person who you have a little side hustle, but if you don't do it,
you're not getting the money.
It done for. You get me? So I'm teaching you how to go from being unemployed to employee or self-employed to business owner. You have a little business, you get some persons to work for you, similar to conversations that we've been to have even yesterday about different structures and all of that, to being an investor where you can basically be at the top in terms of you find different businesses and invest in, different services you invest in. You have a certain amount of wealth where you can just put it in different places and money just be coming in.
And that's it.
Right? So you want to be at this level where your money is working for you, because all of these other levels is where you are working for money. You have to get up and you have to toil for money, right? And the thing about what a lot of people do is that they get up on the toil and they work for money and then put the money on vacation. They put the money in a bank account to chill.
What's a vacation?
You get me? Bro, how am I supposed So how am I supposed to get up every single day and go work 9 to 5 every day, go work, and then I put the money that I make on vacation and then go into bills alone? That don't make no sense to me.
Makes sense.
So you want to be in a position where you slave at some point for the money. You go up, you get up your work and all of that for the money, and then you put it into something that is going to make more money. So it's like the money is bringing friends. The money is going out and getting more money for you without you having to do too much. You following me? Because you set up processes, you set up different investments, and your money is just working for you. So that's the level you want to really reach at. So what the book basically teaches you, how to overcome fear, because the reason why a lot of people don't step out of them 9 to 5 or step out of certain things or certain situations because they're in fear.
The fear.
You following me? So the book basically teaches you how to get rid of fear or use fear to your advantage so that you can actually find your passion and you can actually make money from your passion. You follow me? Or even if something is not your passion, bro, you can make money from it. So this book is basically teach you how to make money from anything. Remember, I was telling you that I can sell anything. Because guess what? I have experience, raw experience. Life taught my business. I never went to a business school or none, but life taught my business. You follow me? These books sell every single day. People buy these books every single day. Every day, right? And then what we do with the books as well is that we put a magic check in it because I'm big on manifesting. Remember what I told you about your subconscious mind at the start of this?
Man, make it big goal.
Yeah, so this is a goal magic check. So remember what I told you about being intentional and being intentional about what you put in your subconscious mind. Meaning, if you put negative in it,
you get negative.
If you put positive in it, you get positive out. If you put a camera in it, a Toyota camera in it. No, I'm just saying. If you put a camera in it, you're going to get a camera out. But guess what? Why you have to settle for a camera when you can settle for a Benz? And then when you get the Benz are going to motivate to get more. You follow me? Get a high stuff. So the reason why a lot of people settle for a camera is because, oh, you know, it's cheaper to maintain. It's this and it's that. A Benz is easy to maintain too, because guess what? Once you're able to afford a Benz, bro, you're going to be able to afford the life that comes with it. You follow me? So if you're able to afford a camera, bro, you're going to afford the camera life. So you want to live a camera life or you want to live a Benz life? Your choice. At the end of the day, everybody has a choice. You follow me? So I rather choose the higher lifestyle than the lower lifestyle. You follow me? But guess what? Most people settle for the lower lifestyle because it is easy.
Easier.
Right? So when you guys get the magic check, guys, I don't want you guys to put 100,000 JMD on it. I want to put a couple of million on it. You follow me? Reason being, anybody can make 100K JMD, but not everybody can make $1 million.
Just
you get me?
That, yeah.
Just like that. So I want you guys to manifest $1 million in your pocket every single day, every single month. You follow me? And I'm not talking about $1 million JMD, $1 million US. You follow me? I need to normalize that, bro. You follow me? Like for example, I have an accountant. That I was doing some serious figures. The figures heavy as hell. And it's like, I was, you know, you feel your ego. So I was like to the accountant, figure you're heavy, don't it? These are the heaviest figures you ever seen, right?
I have 1 minute back on this.
Yeah, these are the heaviest figures you ever seen. And she was like, well, you know, we have companies that are doing XYZ on a monthly basis. And I'm like, okay. And then that kind of motivated me to start pushing more and doing more. You follow me? And then that pushed me to start being able to do similar figures or even better than a lot of these big companies as an individual. You follow me? So when persons get this magic check, just ensure you fill it out with the amount that you want to earn and you put a future date on it to manifest that in your life, right? So becoming your true potential or becoming what you really want out of life is being able to manifest what you want out of life. You follow me? And you filling this out with a figure is going to put that in your subconscious, and then you're just going to use the information in the book to work towards and achieve it. And that's how you're going to really achieve certain things.
And that's
You
it.
get me? Everything is intentional. We win. Winners win. Blessed.
We're blessed.
Yeah, we're blessed. Super blessed.
Super blessed.
Super rich. You know the vibe, bro.